In the xy plane, the graph of y equals 3x squared minus 14x intersects the graph of y equals x at the points 0, 0 and a. What is the value of a? So this question combines two things. We have a system of a quadratic equation and a linear function. And if you're going to determine where those two lines intersect, we may need to graph this. Thankfully, this is a section 4 question where you're allowed a calculator, and hopefully you have one of those TI-84 or even 83 series calculators that allow you to graph. So let's actually just sketch this so you know what to expect when you actually get to doing this question. So x and y plot. We have a parabola. This is the U-shaped graph opening upwards. And we know that one of the points where the lines intersect are 0, 0. So I know that the parabola is passing through 0, 0 for sure. So it might look sort of like that. We're going to graph this in a minute to confirm this. And then the other piece of this is a linear function, y equals x. And it sort of looks like this. So we were given this one that they intersect at 0, 0. The question is, what is this other point where they intersect? The point that they're intersecting is being called AA. So with that in mind, let's actually go ahead and graph this on Desmos, the free online graphing calculator. But if you have a TI-84, which I hope you do, because that comes in clutch and handy when you're taking the exam, then you should plug it in on the TI-84. So this is Desmos. You want to go ahead and enter your first equation in this box, y equals 3x squared minus 14x, and graph it. That gives you this red graph. And you can see it's already crossing right here at 0, 0 as we were told. So let's go ahead and graph the other line, the other graph, y equals x. So there it is. And you see it's a graph that is intersecting at 0, 0. And the other point of intersection is right here, 5, 5. So a has to be 5. So we know that this point here was 5, 5, which means the a value is 5. So just write 5 and shade it in and move on to the next question.